An EOC file marks the boundary of a geographic data coverage in Esri's legacy ArcInfo format, a structural marker in older GIS datasets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these geographic information system files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful EOC file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. EOC files are system files within Esri ArcInfo coverages, marking the end of coverage data structures. They are part of the legacy ArcInfo coverage format used in geographic information systems to store vector geospatial data, including points, lines, and polygons with topology. ArcInfo EOC files are binary system files within the coverage directory structure indicating data segment boundaries. They work alongside ARC PAL and CNT files to define the topological relationships between geographic features in the vector coverage data model. The most common, market-leading program for EOC is ArcGIS Pro from Esri. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows offers only surface-level attributes, while full interpretation relies on cataloging utilities. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the EOC file and choose Open With. Use ArcGIS Pro first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If the EOC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because the EOC format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, opening coverage data. Install Esri ArcGIS Desktop or the free QGIS application and navigate to the coverage directory containing the EOC file. In ArcGIS, use ArcCatalog to browse to the coverage folder. In QGIS, use Layer, then add Vector Layer and browse to the coverage directory. Next, converting to modern formats. Use ArcGIS Arc Toolbox and navigate to Conversion Tools, then to Shapefile to convert the legacy coverage to shapefile format. In QGIS, open the coverage and use Layer, then Export, then Save Features, as to convert to GeoPackage or Shapefile for modern GIS workflows. Finally, troubleshooting access issues. If the coverage fails to load, ensure all associated files in the coverage directory are intact, including ARC PAL Lab and B&D files. Missing or corrupted system files like EOC can prevent coverage reading. Rebuild coverage topology using ArcGIS Build tool if errors occur. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.